Hey guys, Mateckz here. I'm here with the Disney Circle Home. It's a smart family device which essentially kind of puts a filtering system on a direct, not subnet per se, but it creates its own network from piggybacking off your current wireless, or you can plug directly into it. I'm going to just do an unboxing for now. But what's great about this is, again, I haven't used it. I've just read some reviews. I have two children, and I just don't want them to get places they shouldn't be on the internet. So some of the things it can do, it can do filtering, obviously, custom filters for each family member that connects to this specific box. You can pause the internet. You can set time limits, set a bedtime, check the usage. That includes like websites they're going to. Doesn't tell the time or the amount they spent on that website, but it's cool to see that, you could see which websites they are using. You can also give little rewards if they, I don't know, clean their bedroom or something and, making good grades. You can grant them rewards like, extra time and whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty much the overview. There's an app for it. Again, you can see per family member who's using what, how long, those sort of types of things. But yeah, let's get into like unboxing this. Okay. Pow. It's a fancy box. That's for sure. And so here we have the device. Let me I can't even get it open. Okay, we'll just slide it off then. Okay, that was kind of triggering. So yeah, here's the device. Here's a kind of a 360 of it. Looks like there's a micro USB or some type of USB to power it. I want to see what's in this because I thought, again, I said earlier that you could plug a wired connection into it, but I think I might be wrong, which kind of sucks because I was looking forward to like just creating a whole nother subnet for my kids. I can't even get this off. This is mad irritating already. Super tilt worthy. That's already a negative on whoever designed this. I literally had to like damage the thing right there. You see that? To get this out. I mean, come on. There is an Ethernet though, an RJ45 that you could plug into and have direct connection. So you could probably get a gig over this. That is if you're running wireless that can support that fast, which I doubt you are. But yeah, here's a device, just a little device. It's kind of like, cool. It's not an eyesore. So if you set it in your living room or something, like people aren't going to be like, what is that ugly thing? It kind of just blends in. And let me show you the accessories that come with this here in a second. So here we got, this one says, use this one first. This is power. This powers the device up. Got USB. This plugs into the bottom like so. Right like that. So I guess this thing sits up like this then. And then this gets plugged into the power block they gave you, which is right here. Standard power block. You plug it in right like so, and then boom, right into the wall. Then they also have this one that says save for later. This is the Ethernet cable. Again, if you're like creating like a separate subnet for this box to sit on, or if you just want to create a segmented network, it's not going to be really segmented. It'll be on the same subnet, same IPs, but it'll only apply to people who connect to this box. So you can have a separate route or a separate access point, or wireless hotspot, or so on and so forth. Wireless router, whatever you connect to. That would be like for the adults. They can view, see whatever they want, and then you would have a separate one, a separate name. You could probably call this whatever you want. For just the kids that connect to you, you'd probably have two separate passwords. The one for like your adult wireless, where nothing's filtered, would have a different password than this one. But you would connect all your kids' devices to this one, and that would ensure like, okay, they can't get on the other one because it's a different password. We know they're on this one, so we're good with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not overly complicated. It sounds in theory like a good product. You always want to make sure you're keeping an eye on your kids, especially today with the crazy stuff on the internet. Also, a little side note, they do offer I believe it's like a VPN service that ties in with the app. I think it's like $10 a month. And what that allows you to do is, if you're not on, your home network. So if I have a mobile device that's using LTE and I'm off of this, then I can bypass that filtering system. If you buy this service, you can put it in like the proxy or the VPN on the phone locally and lock it down and make sure like they're always on this device here. It doesn't matter if they're at their friend's house. It doesn't matter if they're at school. You can kind of lock it down to this device and still be monitoring them when they're off your network, which I thought that was a cool feature. I don't know if I'm going to buy it because my kid's only 4. She's going to be 5. My other one's like a baby, so she won't be using an iPad for a while. But she only has an iPad, no LTE, no way to browse the internet when she's really off of our network. So we're okay with that for now. But yeah, here it is. Hope you liked it. Sorry for the little difficulties we had opening it up and showing it to you, but it is what it is. If you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, let me know if you have any questions on it. I haven't even hooked it up. I will be hooking it up. And obviously subscribe. I love getting little emails telling me that I've got a new subscriber. I'm really trying to get some subscribers, so yeah, just give me a like or subscribe, comment at least, and I appreciate it. Thank you.